Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping assets and essential objects. Import your background, logo, and 3-button sprites so things load quickly. Create Obj menu as the container, plus separate button objects for start and options. Keep hover states for visual feedback. Place RM menu as the first room in order to test quickly. Once done, assign sprites to objects and set persistent variables like menu music and selected index. This lets you control state and makes the next steps deterministic, so you know why each object exists. Now implement button logic so the menu responds reliably. In each button object, add mouse enter and mouse leave to change sprite index, giving immediate feedback. Then add mouse left press to run a script that checks action type and either room go to a sync, target room, or opens a submenu. Use object variables like target room and action type to avoid hardcoding. Once this is working, test keyboard navigation with key press events to change selected index and simulate clicks. This makes the menu accessible. Finish by polishing transitions, adding sound on hover and click, and implementing a fade using a persistent controller or timeline. This improves perceived quality. Make sure to test edge cases like losing window focus, reloading rooms, and controller input, and ensure the menu returns to a default selected index. If something breaks, show debug message the selected index and action type. Once you see expected values, step through events or disable layers to isolate the issue. Finally, iterate until navigation and entry feel rock solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.